Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we got a new problem statement that how we can showcase or display the total in our bar chart. So what I mean by this, let's say I have created a bar chart based on the region and showing the sales of a respective region along with it how much my total sales is also. So let's say if I select furniture, for furniture for a given region, how much the sales is at the same time what exactly my the total is. So let's see, like we want to recreate this kind of a chart. And in an actual practice, if you see, there is no capability that a bar chart can directly take the total. So we have to do some kind of a manipulations. So what are those manipulations? And let's see how we can do it. So it can be done in two steps. The first, we need to change the axis. If you see, we have only four regions, not the total in our data set. So we need to add the total in our axis. That is why our x-axis will need to change. Now coming on to the y-axis, again the same thing. Even if we add the total here on an x-axis in by some way, we will not able to produce how much the total sales is. So we need to create a measure which will calculate the total sales as well along with the region wise sales. So for this, I have already created one demo dashboard. Let's see how it goes like this. Uh, I guess it's getting hanged a bit. So, so this is how it looks like. So I have just created a category to filter the same. If you see here, we do not have anything on the region like total. So I was just about to create this things. Let's see. First, for that, we need to create a table. And in that table, what we need? We need the region wise distinct value. At the same time, we need the total as well. So let's see how we can add this thing here. So I have already added the all my regions will be my table name union. I need distinct value of what? Sales superstore. I have to take the region. So this will give me the distinct value of this. Now what I want at the same time, I have to come out of it. At the same time, I need the total, total value also. Let's see. Total, it has to be given in this fashion, and I have to close my bracket. So it shows me an error right now. Okay, I guess I've done something wrong here. Uh, oh, I guess my bad. It has to be the curly bracket, not the list one. Uh, I have just, so I have to add. So this kind of mistake might happen with you also. So it requires not the list, actually it takes some bracket, this kind of bracket. So once it's done, let's, so if I go here, now I can see my all the regions and my totals. So this will go into my x-axis. Now corresponding to this x-axis and the region values, what exactly my the sales will be there. So we need to create a one more measure that will help us to calculate the total sales. So for that, I have one more thing that I have created. I have already created the sum of sales measures here already, which will directly we can consume for calculating the totals. So let me do one thing. Let's create a new measure which will give me total sales, total sales, total sales, let's say. Now what we need. So I will create a first one variable which will actually give me the total of total value without any filter or something like. So total, let's give an underscore, which will calculate sum of sales excluding all the regions. When I say excluding all the regions, so I want to eliminate this south, west, central, east, and then take a total of sum of sales. So what I need, all functionality here, and all functionality. Then what I need in all functionality in this table we have all the regions. I just hit this. So this is my total. It will give me the total. Now what we want? We want to return all the values on the axis. So for this, let's say return. For this, I will be using the switch statement because we need region wise, we will get the sales, but total we want to explicitly, we have to add it here. So let's say if it is true, true, then give me first total value. So for this total value, what I need, if my selected value, my bad, if my selected value in the region is equals to total, then return me this total sum of sales. Else, just return me the sum of sales, which we have already created. Hope you understand this thing. If my x-axis value is total, then give me this sum of some value, sum of sales by all the region, the total value. Else, if it is a south region, then give me the south region sum. If it is west, then this. If it is my total, then just calculate this sum, which is actually the total sales value. So let me do this and hit enter. Now we have both x-axis, we have the y-axis, both. Now what we need to do? But one more catch is, yes, these table are not linked because let's say category is in my sales superstore table, the region is there. So if we want to filter this thing, it won't happen. So what I need to first connect this thing. Once I do the connection, one to many, make sure that it is one to many, single error and save. Yes, it's done. Now I have to go to the chart. What I will do, I will select here. I will first eliminate the region and I will add the total. If you see, still it is not showing uh, because I have changed the y-axis value. Let's change the x-axis value. If you see, now the total is been displayed here. I will just do a simple sorting so that it looks better. If you see now, if you see the total, all the regions, let's change it to furniture. For furniture, I am getting the total value. For office supplies, let's say office supplies 2017. We have that for all given region as well as the total. So this kind of a chart can help a lot of business and decision makers that actually how they want to see like what some might say what is a percentage contribution also that can be also done alternatively to this, but they want to see, no, they have to see the bar, like how it is different, what are the different. You can also add the percentages also here. If we go in the detail, I will also create that video for how it can be created in data labels to calculate the percentages with respect, let's say 29 by 182, that we can add here in the label also. So this might, these kind of a charts actually help the decision maker to take a decision. uh, Hope you like this video where we are able to add the total in the chart of a cluster bar chart, and follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.